How to delete apps on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to delete applications on iPhone, here is what you should do. First and foremost, tap and hold the app icon on the home screen until a menu appears. Then after tap on Remove App. Once you tap on Remove App, you will see three options. Tap on the second one, which is Delete App, and then confirm the deletion. Doing so will delete the application. Likewise, there's another process to do it as well. For this, head over to your settings. Once you are on your settings page, go to General. Once you tap on General, scroll down and find iPhone Storage. After that, search for the application that you want to delete and tap on it. Once you tap on the application that you want to delete, you will see Delete App option. Tap on it and confirm to delete the application. However, keep in mind if apps are restricted, the delete option may be hidden. Similarly, some built-in applications of Apple's cannot be deleted. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.